have written the question number 1 and 2 and question number 7 in your workbook. If you have written, very good. If you have not written, write it down. Today, as this is our part 5. Okay. Now we will do the question number 3. Answer the following questions in one word. अब आपको one word में answer दे रहे हैं. So first question. To what color does dilute iodine solution changes when 2-3 drops of it are poured in a bead flow? आपका पास bead flow है and when you will put the iodine solution, the color changes to blue and black. Why the color changes to blue and black? Because in bead carbohydrate is present, and this is a test of carbohydrate. When we put the iodine drops in any food item, the color changes to blue and black. It indicates the carbohydrate is present in that food. So in the same manner, when we put the 2-3 drops in a wheat flour, its color changes to blue and black. This shows that carbohydrate is present in a wheat flour. Second question. In which two main forms are carbohydrates are found in our food? As I taught you in the explanation part that there are two forms of carbohydrate. Which are they? There is sugar and starch. कितने forms है carbohydrate? There are two forms of carbohydrate. Which are they? Sugar and starch. Third question. Which component of our food give us double or more energy as compared to carbohydrates? कौन हमें double energy देता है? So answer is fats. Fats provide us double or more than double energy as compared to carbohydrates. Question number 4. Food containing which nutrients are often called bodybuilding food? Bodybuilding food कौन सा होता है? It is protein. Protein is also known as bodybuilding food. Which components of our food help in protecting our body against? कौन सा component हमारे को help करता है fight करने की diseases से? It is vitamin. Vitamin help to fight the body against diseases. Question number 6. Which vitamin is found in abundance in gooseberry? Gooseberry means आंवला. आंवला में सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा विटामिन प्रेजेंट होता है? विटामिन सी. And vitamin C is found in a food item which is sour in taste. जिसके taste sour होता है उसमें कौन सा विटामिन होता है? It is vitamin C. And आंवला is a sour in taste. Which vitamin is produced in the body in the presence of sunlight? Sunlight से हमको कौन सा विटामिन मिलता है? विटामिन D. Which vitamin is not present in milk? Milk में कौन सा विटामिन प्रेजेंट नहीं होता? It is vitamin C, because milk is not in sour in taste, na? That's why vitamin C is not present in a milk. Which vitamin is present in sour foods? Sour foods में कौन सा विटामिन प्रेजेंट होता है? So vitamin C. The deficiency. 10th question. The deficiency of which vitamin causes rickets? Ricket कौन से deficiency vitamin C होता है? So it is vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Deficiency of which mineral causes goiter? कौन से मिनरल की डेफिशिएंसी से हमें गोइटर होता है? मैंने गोइटर में बताया था कि हमारी नेक की ग्लैंड कैसे जाती है? इट इज स्वेल. हमारा पूरा नेक पार्ट कैसे होता है? स्वेल हो जाता है. सो इससे कौन से डेफिशिएंसीज होती है? इट इज डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयोडीन. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ व्हिच मिनरल रिजल्ट इन एनीमिया? हमें एनीमिया कौन से डेफिशिएंसी के मिनरल से होता है? इट इज आयरन. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन? मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट में बताया था कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन इज ब्लू इन कलर. वो कौन से कलर का होता है? ब्लू इन कलर. इट इज यूज्ड इन द टेस्ट ऑफ प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन के टेस्ट में हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? वी नीड कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन. नाउ वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. मार्क द फॉलोइंग एक्सरसाइज. टेस्ट ट्रू इफ ट्रू एंड राइट रॉन्ग इफ इट इज फॉल्स. है ना? यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस बॉक्सेस. आपको कहां पे लिखना है? यू हैव टू राइट इन अ box. First, iodine solution is yellow in color. No, iodine solution is brown in color. It is not in yellow in color. Carbohydrates are considered the main nutrients of food. Carbohydrates सबसे important nutrient है. Yes, carbohydrates is the most important nutrient that our body needs. इडली एंड ढोकला fermented food. Fermented मतलब हम कुछ में उनको fermentation की need होती है to make it soft food. So इडली एंड ढोकला are the fermented food. True. Vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin A हमारी eyes के लिए important है. If there is a deficiency of vitamin A, it will cause the night blindness or we will not able to see. We lost our vision. That's why vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. So it is true. Sour fruits contain vitamin C. हमने one word sentence में भी दिया कि sour fruits always contain the vitamin C. Which other food item which is sour in taste, जो खट्टे होते they contains the vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of mineral? No, scurvy is caused by vitamin C. That's why it is false. Obesity is a deficiency disease? No. Obesity means होता है हमारे जब when food is not digested, जब हमारी बॉडी का फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है, we suffer from obesity. Obesity is not a deficiency disease. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iodine? No. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron. That is false. Then question number 5. Write the names of the following. अब हमको इनके नाम लिखने हैं. The nutrient which mainly give energy to us. कौन सा फूड है जो हमें एनर्जी देता है? It is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates give energy. If here question asks which nutrient provide double energy, and that time you write the fact. But here is only asking which food give energy. So you will write carbohydrate. The nutrient that are required for growth and maintenance of your body. Growth के लिए we need protein. Vitamin for maintaining good eyesight, it is vitamin A. Mineral that is required for keeping bones healthy. Bones के लिए हमें कौन से मिनरल की जरूरत होती है? It is calcium. Vitamin is essential for strong bones. अब vitamin पूछा. Here is asking mineral. In mineral you will write calcium, and when the vitamin will ask you will write vitamin D. Vitamin that help our body to fight against disease. Disease से fight करने के लिए हमें कौन से vitamin की जरूरत होती है? It is vitamin C. Now we will see the question number 6. Write the names of 2 food items that contain the following nutrients. अब हमको 2 food items के नाम बताना है. So first is calcium. तो हमें कौन से food items से calcium मिलता है? It is milk and milk. And if you want to write any other food item, you can write it up. But that food item contains this mineral, that calcium. So calcium is present in milk and egg. Vitamin A कौन से food में होता है? It is in spinach and milk. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers is also known as roughage. वो हमें किसमें से मिलता है? It is from whole grains and fresh fruits. Protein. Protein means pulses and eggs. If you want to write any other name, you can write it down. Now we will do the question number 10. Question number 10, it is in page number 18. Okay. So question number 10 is explain giving scientific reason. Reason बताने की ऐसा क्यों होता है? So first question is small kid must be provide protein rich food. जो small kids होते हैं, as all need the high rich protein, but why the small kids specially need the protein rich food? So small kids have high growth rate, therefore they require more food. जो small kids होते हैं उनका growth rate क्या होता है? बहुत ज़्यादा. So they need more protein as compared to adults. Protein rich food helps to form new cells and tissues. So protein होता है, as we know our body is made up of cells and tissues, है ना? हमारी बॉडी किससे बनी हुई? सेल से. तो if they eat the more protein, the more cells and tissues will grow. Protein rich food help the nervous system to function properly. उनका जो nervous system होगा, nervous system means the function which is occur from our brain. हमारे brain का जितना भी part होगा, that is coming to the category of nervous system. तो nervous system हमारा क्या करेगा? बहुत अच्छे से work करेगा. Hence small kids must be provided protein rich food. इसलिए हमें small kids को protein rich food देना चाहिए. Then question number 2. Children must be allowed to play in sunlight. हमें children को allow करना चाहिए, not in too much sunlight, but in morning sunlight. हमें morning की sunlight each and every person, हर एक human being को morning की sunlight लेनी चाहिए, because morning sunlight gives us vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for proper development of bones and teeth. Bones के teeth के लिए vitamin D की need होती है. This vitamin is produced in our body when we exposed in sunlight. हम जब sunlight के सामने जाते हैं, so it produces in our body. Vitamin D produce होता है. Hence children must be played in a sunlight, but not in a afternoon sunlight. हमें दिन की धूप में नहीं खेलना चाहिए. हमें ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए मम्मी हमारे टीचर ने हमें बोला कि धूप में खेलो. No, you have to. If you want to play in the sunlight, so you will play in a morning sunlight. जो morning की sunlight होती है, it provides too much vitamin D, which is very essential for our bones and teeth. Okay? We should eat green leafy vegetables. हमें कौन सी we should? Why we should have to eat green leafy vegetables? हमें green leafy vegetables क्यों लेनी चाहिए? So green leafy vegetables provide vitamins and minerals to our body. जितनी भी green leafy vegetables होती हैं उसमें क्या होता है? They contain high quantity of proteins and minerals. It also provides roughage and which is essential for our body. As we know, roughage is also known as dietary fibers we need for digestion of our food. And from where we get the roughage? We get the roughage from plants and vegetables, है ना? From plant sources. So green leafy vegetables are the plant sources. They provide a very high amount of roughage to get rid of undigested of food, है ना? ये हमें roughage भी provide करता है. roughage क्या काम होता है? कि to digest the food. Okay? If we will not eat the roughage contained food, so we are not able to digest the food. Okay, that's why we should eat the green leafy vegetables. Now the last question is question number 4. Milk is complete diet. अब milk को हमने complete diet क्यों बोला है? क्योंकि milk contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins and minerals. जो milk होता है उसमें सारे nutrients present होते हैं. Carbohydrates होते हैं, proteins, vitamins, minerals and only milk does not contain vitamin C. Milk में सिर्फ vitamin C नहीं होता, बाकी सारे vitamin A, B, C, D, all kinds of vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, proteins सब कुछ होता है उसमें. Milk contains all the nutrients that our body need for proper growth and development. तो जितने भी हमारी growth and development होते हैं, that for growth and development we need all kinds of nutrients, and milk contains all the nutrients. That's why we call the milk the complete diet. So students, write question 3 to 6 and question number 10, which is in page number 18. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.